Anyways, guys, my face, I just finished having a shower. Okay? It's like 3 p.m. I actually going to 4 p.m. It's Christmas Day and I'm indoors all alone by choice, definitely. And I have just been in my PJs and I just showered and put them back on because there's nowhere that I wish to go out. If you're watching me for the first time, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, give it a big like, comment, and share. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back and thank you for your massive support. What a Christmas! I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas whenever you are. You enjoyed with your family, you did all the good things, and everything that is entitled for this day. I pray that you are in good health and you are in sound mind because that counts a whole lot. And also, you're peaceful as well. I am in all of those and even top it off. And even if it's just a quiet Christmas, I say that this should be the last Christmas that I spend far away from family, especially not just friends, but far away from family. Let this be the last Christmas that happened. But anywho, I just woke, well, not like really woken up. I've been awake for a minute, but I started taking advantage of the day that I have off by doing some works, just kind of like creating my emails and also creating other stuff, just work, cleaning up a little bit. But I just finished showering and I was like, before I do everything else, let me take the camera because I want to show you the things I use for my facial. Somebody asked me what kind of facial stuff I use, and I want to take you along with that. But before we get there, you see these nails? I do not like long nails. And I don't know if you can see that. Please, my hands are dry, okay? I just finished showering, but we're going to moisturize them. But to me, that is too long. So I need to clip these nails off.
Eu sou uma filha amada. Eu sou uma filha amada. Em Deus está o meu valor. Deus está a cuidar de mim. Deus está a cuidar de mim. Ele é meu pai. Ele é meu pai. Eu sou uma filha amada.
So I'm not going anywhere. I am still indoors. So the only thing I need is just the lip gloss. This is the lip gloss that I use. It's L'Oreal number 603.
Eu sou uma filha amada. Em Deus está o meu valor.
Just like that. I feel like I need to color my nails because for a few days I'm not cooking.
Eu sei do meu valor em Deus.
I think it's too shouty. I thought it was clear. I thought it was kind of like a natural color. No, I don't need this one. I'm gonna take it out. It's too loud for me.
Eu posso confiar todo dia, o dia todo tudo que tem.
The nails are done now, so that's pretty it. I don't like that much of shouting colors. It just that is the best for me. So let me unplug all this out so I can take them away. I mean, put them away so they're not like crowded everywhere. I'm gonna cook some oatmeal. So I have the brown sugar. That's what I have. It's a brown sugar, what is it? Brown sugar maple. That's what I'm cooking for dinner. It's 4:29 right now. And I just want to have an early dinner. The thing is, the nails, there is a part that the edges are still kind of like wet. So even when I'm cooking, I still have to be careful so I don't mess it up. And the problem is having this thing. Oh my goodness. Why is it giving me a hard time? I'm going to add some flaxseed. I'm going to be adding some flaxseed on the oatmeal.
Ouvir, o melhor de Deus está por vir. Ele cuida de mim. Deus está cuidando de mim. Deus está cuidando de mim. Hey.
I now have my oatmeal, which is literally dinner. Yes, it's literally dinner. So I'm gonna wait for it to cool off because it is hot, 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 hot. And this brings us to the end of this vlog. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Remember that Christ Jesus is the reason that you are still here. May his grace be upon you in abundance, and may he rule and reign and take dominion in your heart, your soul, your mind, your spirit, and everything from the top of the hairs of your head to the bottom of the sole of your feet. Peace of Christ, and have a wonderful day. Bye.